What is the real meaning of cooking rice in dreams? Today we are going to know all the possible meanings of these types of dreams. So there are some common types of cooking rice dreams that people see during sleep. Number 1. If you see cooking rice in a dream, then this dream is considered good and indicates that you are going to get the fruits of your past hard work and dedication soon, which you have been waiting for a long time. Or any of your big wishes are going to be fulfilled soon without any hindrance and delay. Now number 2, if you see cooking and eating rice in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates good luck, prosperity and success in any work, project or planning very easily. As well as this dream also suggests that any of your big wishes are going to be fulfilled soon without any obstacles in real life. Now number 3, if you see someone cooking rice for you in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates that you are going to get big success in life due to the help and support of the divine in life. Or you are going to get new opportunities for success in life that will change you and your life completely in positive ways. Now number 4, if you see cooking fried rice in a dream, then it also is a sign of good luck and prosperity and indicates that you are going to achieve something big in life that will change your life completely in positive ways. Now number 5, if you see cooking rice pudding in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates that any of your big wishes are going to be fulfilled soon. As well as this dream also suggests certain spiritual awakening that will end your life problems soon, which have been bothering you for a long time. Now number 6, if you see cooking rice but rice burnt in a dream, then this dream gives a kind of warning that maybe you are wasting your time on useless things in life, or you are ignoring something important thing in life and postponing it for tomorrow, but this thing demands your attention right now to avoid any kind of loss and disappointment in life. So to avoid these things, this is the right time to focus on important tasks and targets according to priority to get the extraordinary results in real life.